I must go, and die at 27. Then that means I know I died a legend, legend, legend. Now, will you roll by like we're together? Keep the vibe alive inside forever. Until forever. Real feelings from past dealings when people count me out till I grew up to count millions on. Like I guess it's good to be different, I'm a star, so the sky into the limit, I'm living like it's my last day. Smoke as if there's not already 27 roaches in my ashtray. Smile as if no one hated it all, as if anyone understood anytime I evolve. You tell me, what would you do if what you drink ain't true? Buy your Bentley and look just like you. How I'm supposed to write a song when I'm famous and all this pain is created? I guess I'll overdose on inspiration at 27, yeah. Thank you for being my favorite audience every time we come here. Thank you for coming to Hotel Diablo tour tonight. Keep those hands up, close your eyes and let kiss my baby girl goodnight. If this really is goodbye, the Prague right now, let's set the city on fire. Keep your hand up like this now. Can you take me higher? Put the lights on more. Can you take me higher? Take me higher. Brian, did y'all have a good time at Hotel Diablo? Can you take me higher? If I must go, and I at 27, and at least I know I'm not a legend. You hold my life together. Keep the light alive forever. This song, cause if one day I'm no longer here with the physical, then at least I gave you my voice to listen to. What is a beautiful life without a beautiful death? What is a beautiful mind? How is our beauty defined? Is it for you to decide? Is it my duty to die? No matter how I remember, just let me be remembered. This is my 4th time coming here. The energy in here is better than any other fucking time, man. This Hotel Diablo seems to be never be